In today's discussion, we will talk about the job, why some patient or why some people love to change their job frequently very soon, and why some people have excessive fear and insanity related with their job. So we will first talk about why some people or some patients have excessive desire to change their job. So, in this context, the probable medicine who have very frequently changing job history, that is the causticum, merxol, veratrum album, arsenic, nux vomica, acid floor, and tuberculinum. Obviously, every medicine have their own point of view for changing their job. So, if we're talking about the causticum and merxol, these two medicine is present in an important rubric, that is anarchist and revolutionary. If you see, the both medicine is Marxism is one of the most important medicine in the context of the anarchist and revolutionary, along with the causticum. So what actually happens? Basically, at the workplace, the Merxol and causticum cannot accept anything wrong happening with them, any injustice happening with them. They are not the people who can easily be dominated. So, at the place of the work, due to their boss or due to their senior, if they want to dominate the patient, if they want to dominate on the merc and the causticums, or there is any issue related with the injustice, they both get angry. They cannot be easily get dominated. So they are present in the rubric anarchist and revolutionary. So basically, Merck and Causticum love to change their jobs because of conflict with their seniors, with their boss. Now, if we're talking about further, the reactions of the Merck and Causticum is totally different. Like both is anarchist, both is revolutionary, but Merck will fight at that instant. At that instant, they will fight suddenly without thinking about their measurements, their destinations, their results. While causticum is an important medicine in the anarchist and revolutionary, but causticum adopt a different method, means a legal method for any type of injustice. Means for any short complaint or any injustice, any anger, causticum will suddenly hire their liar or will go towards the police and court and so on. So the path of reaction of Merxol and causticum is totally different. That's why causticum is present in an important rubric, that is litigious. Litigious means those people who always go towards the legal action for any type of issues. Some other medicines, why they change their job, that is tuberculinum. Tuberculinum is one of the most important restlessness medicines. They always want some types of change, always. That's why tuberculinum loves those type of job where there is always a type of a change or adventure, like traveling job, travelers, medical representative, MR. Basically, tuberculinum loves this type of a job or any job that is adventurous. Nux vomica, veratrum, and arsenic basically change their job for money purpose. Veratrum always thinks that he can do achieve better, while fluoric acid, due to their always something interest to find something new, fluoric acid always have search for finding something new. That is a capriciousness. So fluoric acid changed their job because of that. While in the contrary, if we talk about the Baryta and the Calcarea, they never change their job. because they are basically a timid and weak medicines. If we're talking something more about uh, rubrics related with the job, the fear job to lose his lucrative. Lucrative means those who have a good money. So there is some medicines who has excessive fear, even insanity related with the job, with the lose of job. That is calcarea, ignitia, lyco, pulsatilla, rustox, sepia, staph, sulfur, and veratrum. Now fear is just a point. Now there is a different mental makeup why they have excessive fear to lose their job. So basically calcarea have excessive fear because they always need a type of a support desire, always support desire. They are fearful weak medicines, so they have found their support. Now if we change their job, their support will be different. He have to find a new support. That is why calcarea is known to adopt their family business in spite of doing any new business or any new job. Similarly, ignitia have fear to lose their job because of the morality. Like if we lose their job, if I lose my job, what other people will think about me? That is ignitia. Lyco is basically a plant remedy having excessive manipulations and dominating nature. Lyco has already made their atmosphere by domination, by manipulation, soft on superior, hard on the juniors. So now they have to make such atmosphere on different place also, and that will be somewhat typical for lycopodium because lycopodium is also a very fearful medicine, fear of any new thing. That is why lyco doesn't want to change their job or lose their job because they have already adopted their supremacy at that atmosphere. Pulsatilla is a properly money minded medicine. One of the most money minded medicine is the pulsatilla. So pulsatilla have fear to jobs related issue because of their money issues, economical issues. Rustox have fear because of their restlessness of the mind. CPI is one of the most important medicine in the rubric of libertinism and independent. CPI always want to be an independent medicine, does not want to depend on other. This is the basic reason why CPI have a fear to lose their job. Staph, along with the ignitia and staph, both is a type of a both like ignitia and staph is one of the most prominent medicine in the moralities. Staff have always fear about their social position, what the position they have made in the society. That is why CPI will think, sorry, staff will think that if we lose their job, what will be about their positions, their social positions. Sulfur's ego will be hurted if the will be fired from their job. And the veretrums, basically veretrum is never happy with their any type of work. Veretrum always desire something new and always have something better. That is why veretrum have also changing job desire and fear of job because they want something new. That is why they are able to change their job but never happy. So they have a tendency that if I will change their job, I will go to the new workplace, will be I am happy or not. This is the basic feelings of the veratrum. Now ailment from job having lost his means if a patient has lost their job, then he get ailment, any suffering. The prominent medicine is ignitia, nux vomica, platina, staph, sulfuric acid. And one, obviously, these medicines are a polycrest, but one rare medicine, rarely used medicine, that is Persea americana. So in this context, we will talk something about the Persea americana. Actually, Persea americana is avocado. This is the richest, one of the most richest fruit. This is known as avocado. Usually, like any type of a conflict, particularly settles on a organ. Like if you're talking about the apis, their conflict mostly settle on the either skin or kidney. Similarly, any issues with their positions, job, and social failure. These two elements is one of the most important in the Persea americana. Whenever they lost their job or social failure, means they have not a good social persons according to society. They have failed to present himself better in the society. So that type of a feeling, or he has lost his job, that ailment basically make him them pessimist, and particularly shift on the male genitalia. So like staph, it will cause difficult erections, night pollution, and increased desire without erection. So basically, Persea americana conflict is settled on the male genitalia. And whenever any mental rubric combined with the physical rubric, it become a important rubric to useful in the repertorization for selections of the medicine. So irritability impotence with, and in many patient it has been seen that it is a excessive milk desire. Now the last rubric of this discussion, that is ailment from embarrassed poor job performance of, means when the person is getting any issue, any problem because of their performance, work performance. The medicine is lac equinum, one of the most important medicine who have ailment from performance basically. Actually, if we will talk slightly about the lac equinum is basically prepared from the horse milk. Lac equinum, and horse is always the indications of the performance. Mostly we think going upwards or traveling with the horse, running horse race. So basically horse is an indications of the performance and has been used by men from a long time ago. Horse is better to run in the high speed for short time, but when it is about to be a long time, they get easily exhausted. So this was something about horse. Now about, if we're talking about the lac equinum, similarly the performance of the horse, the in the lac equinum performance is mandatory. This is the combination of ambition, workaholic, industriousness, and not getting good result according to their work. Means if he is doing 100% of work, his result will be 40 to 50%. So due to high ambitions, high responsibility, high workaholic tendency, if he is still getting low low value, low result, lac equinum is a wonderful medicine indicated due to that conflict. And this phase is basically represent in the adolescents who is working for their classes. In spite of excessive study, they are not getting desirable result, or due in the adult to perform the job functions. In the lac equinum is only one point: the work means performance. They always work high, but irrespective of the work, their result will be so much low. Similarly, there is an opposite medicine, that is lachesis. In lachesis, they study very little study and get very high marks. This is opposite of lachesis. So basically, lac equinum is opposite of lachesis. Lac equinum is very responsible medicine and having excessive anxiety about their family. They always think due to the excessive failure that they has been trapped trapped in their life. Everything is looks struggle for them because they are not getting desirable result. The only one point which run through the all medicines, not getting desirable result. Delusion, hardship life is, how the life is very hard. And due to that work, due to that excessive workaholic tendency, if they get not desirable result, means their business is not proceeding, they get very much irritated, despair, and many times depression, sadness, gloomy. So this is a small talk about job related issues, work, and performance. So I hope you like this video. So thank you everyone.